Hey there. Have you ever found yourself liking multiple reels on Instagram and later regretting it? Well, you're in luck, because I'm here to show you how to unlike multiple reels you've liked by date on Instagram on your PC, with the new update. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. Once you're in, head over to the bottom left corner and click on the More icon, or the three dots. Next, click on Your Activity from the options that pop up. This will take you to the Interaction section where you can see all the reels you have liked. To narrow down your search, click on the Sort and Filter option. Here, you can enter the start date and end date for the period of the posts you want to unlike. After entering the dates, click on Apply to filter the reels based on your selected dates. Then, click on Select to start unliking the reels. Now, select the reels you want to unlike by ticking the boxes next to each reel. Once you've made your selection, click on Unlike and confirm the action. And that's it. You've successfully unliked multiple reels on Instagram by date using your PC. Easy, right? Give it a try and clean up your liked posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching and see you next time.